This is really India's tariff truth for US President Donald Trump. Remember, he's been making statement after statement, and India is very clearly stating now that, look, India is not the tariff king. The perception that is being created is incorrect. Remember, the weighted tariff India is stating that India has is 4.6%, only 4.6%, far lower than many other nations. And therefore, this claim and this perception that is being built by the US President, India very firmly countering it now with facts and clear percentages. So that's as far as India's statement is concerned. India has also said that, look, since 1991, there has been a steady reduction in the tariff rates. In fact, there are zero or lower duties to the key US exports, contrary to what the US is doing in turn as far as agriculture and dairy products are concerned. So India very, very clearly giving a firm counter and, of course, stating facts here now. Remember, throughout, market experts and economists have also been saying that, look, in these claims that US President Donald Trump has been making, the key concern really is the uncertainty and the perception that is constantly built. And now this really is India's fact check for US President Donald Trump and for all those, of course, watching this perception building and this narrative building that has been taking. India very clearly stating that, look, India is not a tariff king at all. India is a far more accessible market compared to many other nations in the world.